going to fix a hole in a metal galvanized watering can that got, when it was thrown in the garage, it got pierced. So how we're going to do that is we're going to use a product, they're not sponsored, it's JB Weld, and you use equal amounts of both tubes, and we'll mix it on this lid here. But before we do that, it is pushed in somewhat, so I want to beat it back out to get it flush on the inside so we'll adhere better with the weld. You can use a hammer. I don't have a hammer that small, so I'm going to use the side of a wrench here. Just form it back to where it will be more round. That did close the hole up a little bit, but we will go ahead and mix this together and start applying it. This is a two-part epoxy, so we'll put even amounts of both on the lid here, mix it together, and then apply it. So I've got the inside filled. Even though it was a little crack, like let's say this was the crack, I made a big patch the size of that, you know, a quarter, $half, to cover that entire patch, so when it's sealed, it seals completely. Now I'm still going to take a little bit here, and I can see where it has pushed out of the crack there, and I'm just going to add a little bit on the outside to seal it up. And now we don't have to throw away the watering can. We fixed the hole, good as new.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.